Thank you for choosing AIO Integrations. Today we're going to be covering how to use the Build Your Own IT Solution tool that is newly released on our website. And you can access it quickly here by going to Build Your IT Solution. Right here is going to be some general information about what it includes and covers, and you're welcome to read through that. But for right now, we're going to go through the configuration tool itself and what it includes. So you start by clicking on Start Building My IT Solution. The base service is going to be this top level service. This includes the cybersecurity managed product, which is endpoint protection, our 24/7 SOC or security operations center monitoring of your devices. It also includes cybersecurity awareness training for your entire company, and it provides unlimited help desk support. That is call in 12 hours a day, 5 days a week service. There is after hours available and can be scheduled. This is done by our completely 100% US based team in Houston, Texas, and we are a veteran owned and operated company. So we do not use any overseas companies and we do not outsource this at all. Now, the optional services to this are going to be a cloud backup and disaster recovery for your desktop. There's no storage limitation on this. Like a lot of companies, they actually will charge you for storage. There is no storage limitation. We are going to image your entire hard drive and update that image every night and keep up to 30 days of that. So the latest 30 days will always be covered. And this is for desktops. What's nice about this is if you're an owner and you don't need desktop backup for everything, just for maybe your computer running QuickBooks that has your important company files on it, then you would just choose one license here. So let's kind of take a scenario here. Let's say I've got 5 people in my company. So I've got 5 computers and that I want to protect. And I want to back up one of those computers that's mine as an owner. And I'm going to include that backup. If I have a server, this other option here is if you have a server, all right, and it includes up to 2 terabytes of storage for servers. All right, we do have a limitation on servers. There is additional storage available on demand, and it's charged at a very low price. It's like $9 a month for every terabyte over that, so it's not crazy. But what you want to do is this is not needed if you do not have a server. If you do have a server, you can add this and it will image the entire server offsite and do the same thing it does for the desktops, but do it for the server. All right. Now, the last option requires that you have a minimum of 5 endpoints on this first product. And if you do, you would simply put in 5 right here, 1 for each license, because we have to do all the endpoints in the system. And this would provide $1 million in cybersecurity financial protection for your business. $200,000 of ransomware and business email compromise protection, $500,000 of cyber legal protection, that's legal liability, $200,000 of compliance failure, that has to do with like HIPAA and PCI compliance failure in the event you get ransomed, and it also includes $100,000 of business income loss protection. Now, we include this. This is an all-in-one package that you can add. It is not mandatory. So if I choose not to have this, I can come down here and simply know that this is what my cost is to protect 5 computers without that and do backup for 1 device. And that's my solution. I simply just have to put in my details here, put in my credit card I want it to bill to every month, and hit submit. You will automatically be emailed the link to the software to download and install on your computers. And once it's installed, there's a form you click to activate. We activate and finalize it, and you are good to go. It's actually done the same day, and it's almost completely fully automated. You just need to kind of let us know through the form, and it will tell you in the instructions. Let us know that when it is installed, completely installed on all your devices, then we will activate it across the board on our side and finalize your installation. But it is all done, and is all done within hours after, or minutes, depending on how many you have to do. But it is totally upon you on how quick you want to do it. But if I want to add that $1 million protection, I can simply just add 5 to match the number of devices up here. And now for this price, it includes the $1 million protection, and I no longer need to go out and purchase separate cybersecurity insurance. And there's no contracts to this, no setup fees. This activates the moment it's installed and set up, and you will get a certificate of activation from the Cysurance, who is the insurance company that underwrites this for us. So that's how simple it is. and it's meant there's no minimums except for the insurance. So if I don't need the insurance and I have 3 computers in my business and I want to back up one, that's all I got to do, and that's my monthly cost. Again, this is all about customizing what you need for your business. There's no We're not going to nickel and dime you to death. We're not going to charge you a bunch of setup fees, and we are here to help you and keep you safe. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can obviously call us or email us directly. Have a wonderful day.